Hey guys, so welcome back to Delstack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix error 4000 Twitch. So guys, if you ever happen to encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go for the three lines in the top right corner and then go ahead and go through the settings. Now over here on the settings tab, you could just simply go for the privacy and security, and here you could just simply go for manage browsing data. From here guys, you could just simply select remove selected and select save changes and select remove. So pretty much that can fix the issue. Now another option is you could just simply utilize the search bar here at the settings and go for performance. So guys, from here you should be able to see here performance, and you will have an option use recommended to performance settings. So make sure to uncheck this one and uncheck also the hardware acceleration when available, and mostly that can fix your issue. Now if it doesn't work out, maybe some plugin may blocking the Twitch for you to have access, so go for the extension and then go for the manage extension and make sure to turn off any extensions if you have any. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.